Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear this death screen error on WordPress. So currently you are seeing that there has been a critical error on my website, but I cannot see where the error is. So we cannot trace it. So first of all, you should see how and where the error is coming from. So first of all, go to your WordPress root directory. So it is WordPress Listing Pro. So let me open the folder in htdocs, or if you are using a live server, then go to your root, and in the root this is Listing Pro here. So here is the root. On the root folder, just go to this wp-config.php file, edit this and find debug. Okay, we have these 3 lines. If you see only one, then that is also good, but let's keep this one true, and let's remove these two, or let's make it false, make it true, and this one is also true. So let's remove these 2 lines and save it. Now open the website and refresh it, and now we are seeing where the actual error is coming from. So we have a fatal error called to undefined function, and this is on WordPress Listing Pro functions.php. It is in htdocs Listing Pro WP content themes Listing Pro functions.php, and line number is 1935. So go there to the folder, open WP content, open themes, Listing Pro, and open functions.php, and find line number. Let's see what line number that was, 1935. So go to 1935. Okay, this is the function name. So rather we will remove this function or comment this, or let's remove the whole hook. And because this function is not defined anywhere in the theme or the functions.php file, that is why it is not getting there. So remove it and press save it. Now refresh and let's see. Okay, we have removed our critical error, but there are a lot of other small warnings which are seen here, and we can easily remove them by going to wp-config file again and wp-debug false. When you save it and come back, your website will be fixed. Now there are no warnings or no errors, and the website loads just fine. So that is how you can remove the critical death screen of WordPress, and I hope you learned something from today's video. Please leave this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.